Here's another in the series of Tuesday tips.
Another little tip that some of you may not know about or think about. When I have a very small foot area here and I want to clean this bottom up and I'm going to make a real small foot here on this vessel, I don't want to have a pin sticking out of my live center to protrude into the wood there and possibly make a little dimple in the bottom of what's going to be left as the bottom surface of my bowl. Okay, so now if you have a robust live center, it has a set screw on it so that you can take that pin out. If you have a one-way type of a live center, the pin also comes out, but you have to take a rod and poke it out from the other end because it's just a taper fit in there. But in both cases, I can take that pin out. Now I'm going to rely on just the cup, just the rounded surface that's not going to dig into the bottom of my waste block and possibly leave a mark in what's left for the bottom surface of my vessel or my bowl. Okay, so in this case I've taken that pin out and I'm just using the cup here.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and please support my sponsors, Thompson Tools, Hunter Tools, and Starbond Glue. See you next time.